Good day, everybody. Still on Hesmin Balava, ladies and gentlemen. Return home, northern elders tell Hesmin. May they not return, may they there. So, the elders, northern elders, according to their claim, then they tell their people, may they return home. The same way when we tell our people, may they return home. Because one day, this kind of thing, this kind of clash when they happen, will result to no returning back. That is catastrophe. If the government not read well, if they not caution this issue of insecurity in Nigeria, and the people when they cause this insecurity, now the same herdsmen, the same northerners, the same Fulani Janjaweed, where we don't know where they come from. Now the same people. If we are not tread well with this thing, now problem government won't cause. And again, make una know say all these governors, APC or PDP, all these ministers, all these senators, they love violence. Because now when that fight they now they make their money. Check them out now. The thing when they happen between Boko Haram and Nigerian people, these governors, these northern governors, all of them they benefit. I mean all they benefit from inside. That is why this thing no will ever stop. So the same way, if wahala start from east or from west or from anywhere, the same way those governors will go the benefit. That is why you see they don't want to solve any problem, because they know say when fight starts, then go benefit. But make I remind all of una, say if fight broke out today, it no go be like before. It no go be like before. So if you dey think say you want to be governor, you go run, go somewhere high, they control people, they send weapons to the kill people. You no go even fit run come up for your state this time around. Then go track you down. So not fit say you won't come benefit. That's why you know they stop these herdsmen people, not to kill our people again. They feel say when fight start, then go benefit. That's why you say they're not a shake, because then they enjoy violence. Then they enjoy killing of innocent people, because you know say they get money. If you say, oh, our money will take us go anywhere, we can hide inside bunker. Brother, that your bunker this time around. Before you get there, where your bunker dey, they don't already destroy am. So you no go fit jump anywhere or fly go anywhere when any big fight broke out in that country. You no go be like before you get at all. Then go track you down. So that is why una go trade very carefully with this Fulani and the southeastern people, including the southwestern people. Una got to find how to resolve this problem. But that one no go stop the agitation of Biafra or the agitation of Oduduwa or the coming of Biafra. You no go stop am. But for now, make una try to quench this thing before it go get out of hand. Because Nigerian folks don dey warn all of una say e no go be like before again. No, don't think say you go cause problem finish you when be governor, when you claim say people voted for you to come bring peace in the state. Now you they bring problem, and you feel say you go wrong. You no go work like that again. No matter the kind of money where you get to. So that is why una got to settle this thing quick. And by settling this thing, now to expel all the whole Fulani people from the southern part and from the western part of the country. Make them go back to where they come from. Now, then they come, they tell us, say, these Fulani people, they're not be Nigerian people. Then be this, then be that. Now, why you be all those things? Even though, say, they come from other country, how do they come in without visa? Libya, can you go Libya without visa? Can you come to Europe without visa? You just jump into the country and begin to do anything when you like? Now still them, the same Buhari last year, now them invite all these people. Now then they invite all these their people. Because the Buhari don't tell us, make them come without visa. That is why you see them full everywhere. So the problem when Ona Buhari and APC don't create, make una solve them. Make una solve them. Make una stop these people before it will get out of hand. So make we see waiting and how the northern elders tell their people to return home. Northern Elders Forum NEF has urged herdsmen to return to the northern region if their security could not be guaranteed in their host communities in the southern part of the country. No, securities cannot be guaranteed anymore. Before, people don't take this thing too much. Now enough is enough. Enough is enough. You have to admit that your people, when be the herdsmen, they be bad people. You have to admit, first of all, that Meyati Allah, now them be the terrorists when we get in that country, and now them be the herdsmen people. So nobody will guarantee any of their security, because then they come, they kill our people. Now our people from the southwest and the southeastern part of the country, now them, their security is not guaranteed. Again, because of the herdsmen, invaders. Now herdsmen go come, now then go bring trouble, now then go bring killing, now then go bring ethnic cleansing, now then go bring in kidnapping, now then go bring in extortion to the state where you come. When they live peacefully before, you will come destroy the state, finish, you go to feel say you will get security after you don't kill the people of the state. So make herdsmen go, make them live quick. Not be only herdsmen, like I said before, all those people when they for street, when they claim say that they sell cow, then they slaughter cow, then they sell wristwatches, then they carry thing for head, they are all criminals. All of them get gun inside their handbag. All of them get bad weapon inside their handbags. So all of them must go back to where they come from. Not be only people when they inside bush be the problem. Because the people when they live inside the city, then they collaborate with those people when they inside forest. Now then they show them where to go, where to sleep, where to hide, where to stay. The forest that is good for them to lay. Now the ones when they inside city. So on a big problem, and to solve this thing, now to expel all these people out. Our people go come, we go survive. Make them come back from the north if they won't come back. But anybody when no one come back, make you stay where you stay. Anything when you see there, you go manage it. So they continue. NEF also told northern governors to commence preparation to receive the Fulani communities being ejected from the southern state. NEF Director of Publicity and Advocacy Hakim Baba Ahmed in the statement said the relocation advice became necessary following alleged attack on herdsmen, families and communities in some states of the south. The forum warned the nation would be treading dangerous ground if it continues to relocate. If we continue to relocate, demonization of entire groups over particular type of crime. The elders called on President Muhammadu Buhari and governors to protect law-abiding members of Fulani communities from killers and criminals who apparently believe that Fulani has no right in Nigeria. Fulani have no single rights in anywhere. If you never hear them before, you got to be hearing it clearly from this platform. Fulani people, they don't get any single rights in Nigeria because of their evil intentions, because of their evil agenda. They don't get any rights. They are from outside Nigeria, and we got to expel all of them before it is too late. If Fulani people they behave well, nobody will tell you say make you live south. Nobody will tell you say make you live anywhere, make you go back to your place. It be like people when they Canada, for example. You come Canada, you they commit crime, they do bad things, then catch you. What do you expect government to do to you? Not to expel you, not to deport you because of your crime. Not the same thing. So if Fulani people then go leave their own country, come Nigeria, come they kill people, they kidnap people, unnecessarily. They stout people. What do you expect? Not to expel them. Because if you commit a crime in America, for example, you from Nigeria, you go America, you are there, you are committing crime, you are not behaving well every day, you go police station, go answer question. Then you get a place where you go, even though say you get paper, you get a place where your crime go reach, then go deport you after 7 jail sentence. Then go deport you even though say you get paper. Get as your crime go reach. They will say no, they're not fit. Will not fit again. This man must go back to where he come from. Not to talk of say you not get paper in America. You they commit crime. Where do you expect? Now to boot you out. Quick. Boot you out quick. To where you come from. They're not the key time. So the same thing applicable to these Fulani people. When they come from Niger, they come from the north, they are in Nigeria there, they go southern part of Nigeria, they kidnap, they kill people. So nobody is taking that anymore. Even this Janjaweed people, they know they come with any documents. They know they speak language. They're nothing. And they just did that, they roam about in the bush, they kill people. So if you kill people, what do you expect? Now for them to expel you. Quick. Not for them to send you back to where you come from. Because if you travel abroad and you commit crime, then will send you back, put you inside plane, deport you to Nigeria where you come from. That is why you see that they deport a lot of Nigerian people. Not only because they not get paper. Some of them don't commit big crimes. Some of them not get paper. They say they commit crime. They not get paper, then they commit crime. Then we'll send you out. So that is why they got to send these people out, because they are committing crimes. If then they live in peace with the southern people or with the eastern people, nobody go tell and say, make them go. Nobody. Magban, nobody go tell me them go. So anyhow one I want propagate, make una propagate. Enough is enough. It is necessary to warn people who threaten law-abiding Fulani communities in all parts of Nigeria, but particularly in some parts of the south, to desist. Majority of Fulani are law-abiding and have right to live lawfully wherever they can find means of subsistence. There is nowhere ever. Nobody they live inside forest. Nobody they live inside forest. Beside, according to una claim, una when be the northerners, una they claim say una get land past the eastern people and the western people. So all those land, why una no they make use of them? Why una no they make use of the lands? The one I don't claim. Waiting there, the eastern part and the western part, where they go fine. Una own land, una go live. They go destroy people's land. They go destroy people's crops. They go destroy people's farm. They go kill family. They go kidnap. And you they claim say, may them come back. Then they, no one of them, when be, even the person when I claim say, I be president of that country, is not a law-abiding citizen. All the whole senators when we get, the whole governors when we get in that Nigeria, nobody is law-abiding. All of them. Now our problem. Nobody. Because if we get law-abiding senators and the governors, Nigeria no go be the way when it dey. Nigeria no go be a lawless country according to the way when then they tell us say they don't tag Nigeria a lawless country a long time ago. And the country continue to be lawless until these people, when be the governors and ministers and senators, until they are rooted out from all this their criminal position, when they acquire from the dark doors. Not be from back doors this time around though. Now the dark doors, now they follow. Somebody like Hope Uzodinma, Arufai, all of them, all the whole governors in the north, all the whole governors in the south and west, all of them. Now dark doors they follow, clench onto power. You don't see a country when we see somebody when nobody cast vote for them. He not even register to be voted for as a governor. Like somebody like this Hope Uzodimma, him become governor. Nobody cast vote for him. It's not a country. So none of them is law abiding. Una they claim so una get presidency and una get una president in Aso Rock. Why the wife, when be Aisha Buhari, they for Dubai almost 8 to 9 months now. Run leave Nigeria. The woman claims say na because of insecurity. In the claim and then say my husband 9 days for power. What a shameless country. Aisha Nodi, nobody they talk am. I never see a country in this world when a president go dey in power and wife dey another country. Nah, young boys in Dubai. I never see a country like this before. And you claim say you get president. The first lady not there. Can you imagine? So all this thing combined together make Nigeria lawless. A very lawless nation. Now evil thing. So evil. Now him that they support. So ladies and gentlemen, now so this Magban people, they don't come out, they don't talk, see their people now. Maybe they come and now tell them say they got to come back quick, may una go, quick. Nobody need una in the south. We don't need una. Even the cow when una they sell give people. Nobody need them. Nobody need them. Then they brag with their cow when we say na their own personal business. Nobody need them. One love, everybody. I say if you know say you never subscribed before, make una come to the subscribe. And as soon as they subscribe, make una they share the video so that people go they listen, people go they know what they happen in that country. So like right now, if our people, for example, like ESN, we know say we not a back down. For example, we can never back down. ESN is not going down, they are not going back, they are moving forward. So let's say for example, and now they can come tell the people, so okay, now we dissolve ESN. That day then go bomb Southeast. That very day when now they can go open and say, oh, we dissolve Southeast, we don't want, then go bomb. You know, how do they bomb? The army, Nigerian soldiers, aka the Boko Haram and Fulani Herdsmen, Meyati Allah, then go bomb the whole Southeast. Just because the man dissolve. That's okay, now we have the opportunity to strike. So that is why we are not backing down. We will not allow these people to cow us down. We will not allow it to happen. We never back down. But this time around, if we not strike, then go strike back. Oh, they must to strike back. If they not strike back, nobody go be happy. Because enough is enough. They don't kill our people rich. We don't beg tire. We don't plead to the government tire. Say, make una help us. They say, no, we no go help una. We will continue to kill una. So ESN now, they there to help the people. And they continue to help people. One love from Canada.